Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic. Welcome to the washi tape edition of What's New Wednesday. So I have some Happy Mail here. This package is from Cookie Sticker Co. So let's dive in and see what we have. So this is a thank you card. So I got the bundle. I'm just trying to organize them. So let's start with this one. I like pink and black. So I just thought this foil, it's like a glittered foil on the black washi, was so pretty. And I do like to use black washi. So this is the black with the pink glittered foil. Then we have the pink with the pink glittered foil. Can't have too much pink. Then this one is white with the pink glittered foil. And then we have the roses. If you remember, I don't know if you remember, but there was a red rose with a gold foil line. So I think this is a pink or a rose gold foil, but this is the pink roses. Very pretty. And then this one is the melanin washi with the pink roses in the background. That is gorgeous. Then this is the pink, the black, and the white in the thin washi. I don't know the sizes of washi. I just know it's the thin washi, the skinny washi. So there's that one. So that, I think this was the bundle. And then I think these are freebies, mystery blind bag. Okay, I like that. It's cute. So let's see what's in here. Ooh, I can get it out. Ooh, look at that. That's like a rainbowish. I gotta swatch these. It's like a rainbowish. It's got some type of pattern in there with rose gold foil. That's pretty. I can't wait to use that. That's like the same color scheme that I have in my B6 Stalogy. Wow, that's pretty. Got lucky. Chunk that. So this one, is this the same thing? I guess I get two of them. Huh. I think they're the exact same thing. So if they are, yeah, they seem to be. I don't need two. So we may be doing a giveaway. I may be giving one of these away. I guess I shouldn't have even opened the package, but I had no idea. So yeah, I think I'm going to give one of them away. All the information will be in the description box below. For that, now on to our next package. This one is from Simply Gilded. I've been holding on to this for a while because I want to do an all washi What's New Wednesday. So I'm not really sure what I have here. I know I have a pre-order out there, but I know I won't be receiving that for a while. So okay, let's start with this one since it was, I like the pouches, the Ziploc baggies, because I can use that for something else. It's got the hearts and the bows on it. Cute. This is the journal. Ooh, very subtle and nice. This is the journaling card. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do with all of the journaling cards. This is the seals. This is the freebie sampler with the full box icons checklist. It's got gold foil, rainbow, pastel-y rainbow background. And then, let's see, here is the single seal. And this is the washies. Let's put them together. Okay, I remember now. So I don't know the names, but these are like the pinky stardust washies. So the stardust is pinky. This is like a dusty rose, almost purplish pinky looking color. And then you kind of need to see them together. This is the pink. So, and it's got the stardust at the header with the pinks in it as well. So that's nice. Okay, lots of pink. And then ooh, this is what this bag looks like. It has, so I guess the different collections are coming in these little Ziploc bags now. Because this is another collection, I think. Yes, this is. I remember. I had to have it. Okay, let me get them together. So this is the red. It has gold foil and some other colors in the foil up there. Stardust washi. Then this is the pink. Let's do it like, so it's like a deep dark pink. Then this is, we don't get an orange, but this is a yellow. And it's like a real bright lemony yellow with, I think it's got gold foil in the stardust. Let's start stacking these. Then this is the green. And I hope this isn't the same green that I already have, because yeah, it's a different green. It's a little lighter. It's more of a Kelly green. Emerald green, maybe, I don't know, but it is a lighter green than the one that I already have, and it has gold and looks like silver foil up there. And then this is the blue. I needed this blue the other day. I don't have any blue washi that's this color. Yeah, no, it's either a very light blue or a very dark blue. So it's like a nice medium blue with either hollow or silver, or a combination of the two in the stardust. So I'm gonna try and hold all these together because they are a rainbow. It's just missing the purple and the orange, but I really wanted these because of the rainbow. And I do have orange. Let's see what it looks like with my orange that I already have. And I do have purple. So this isn't necessarily a true orange, but it fits in there. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue. And then the purple. So see, I do have the rainbow in red. I consider both of these red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet in Simply Gilded Stardust type washi. So that's cool. Okay, so that's it for the washi haul. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that little gray bell so that you'll receive notification each time I upload a new video. Be sure to check the community tab and my stories for updates throughout the week. Also, check us out over at patreon.com/Scrapcraftastic for exclusive content and digital downloads. Visit my other channel, Journal Life's Journey, for craft videos and junk journals. You can find me across social media at Scrapcraftastic. Visit my website and shop at Scrapcraftastic.com. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Don't forget to check the description box for information on entering the giveaway of the duplicate washi. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.